Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, your girl's hair is done, laid, slayed, don't play. The company I will be working with today is HairInBeauty. I've previously worked with them before for another video. If you guys are interested in seeing any hair installs that I have done before, it's a playlist right above. You guys can click, or you guys can just go in the description box down below and check it out. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look. Now as you guys can see, it's giving gray. I don't know how it really looks on camera, but like in person it gives gray, but like the hair was blonde, so whatever. If you guys are interested in knowing how I achieved this look, or if you guys are interested in achieving this look on yourself, make sure you guys keep watching. And I started doing something that a lot of you guys really liked, and I didn't really know that you guys liked it until a couple people commented about it. So let's check that out.
10 minutes, starting now.
Alright guys, so before the install, I do have to share with you guys how I achieved these highlights in this wig. Now, as you guys can see, I already did one side because I wanted to show you guys how it would look throughout the wig. But instead of going in and trying to bleach the hair and doing highlights and doing all that extra stuff that takes up a lot of time, it's just a bunch of work. It's just like not even beginner friendly for my people out here who's trying to do it. All you need to do is get whatever color hair that you guys want to have highlights with. I decided to go with like a blondish, whitish hair. You guys can order bundles. You guys can go to the beauty supply store, anywhere that sells colored hair, and make sure it is hair that you guys can flat iron, because you know you don't want no synthetic hair in the wig, and then when you're trying to flat iron and curl, it's just crusty and dusty and it stank. Like, that's not cute. So you're gonna just measure up where, like, how long you want the pieces, and then you're just gonna, you know, cut it, put the glue, and then put the track where you want it, like as I'm doing right here, as you guys can see. So that's what I'm going to be doing throughout the whole hair, and that's how I basically got these highlights. Now, I didn't have any specific order I was putting these tracks in, guys. I wanted the right hand side, at least where the closure part was, to be more blonde with the white pieces and stuff like that. So I did put more pieces on the right hand side than I did to the left, and you guys are going to see the difference. Now, when it comes to the back of the hair, I did take the blonde bundles and I went in between each track to place a track in between. So it did become really full, but you know, it was just nothing but to flat iron the hair and hot comb it to make sure it was really flat. and this was my outcome. Now, if you guys want a more in detail version of this video and you guys want to know exactly how I did a wig like this, let me know, comment it down below, and maybe we'll try a different color and see how that goes. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, that was the whole process of me bleaching, plucking, all that. Now we're gonna get into the install. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys recreate this look, and if any of you guys recreate this look, make sure you guys go tag me on Instagram or send me a picture in my DMs or whatever the case may be. I'm gonna show you guys a video before I put in the blonde pieces, and the hair was really nice. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, the links will be in the description box down below. You guys can also check out the hair company in the description box. But anyway, if you guys are interested, keep on watching, and we're about to get right into the video. Now to the part that everybody's been waiting for, the install. Okay, period. Like, this wig looked so good, y'all. But anyway, a little quick disclaimer. I'm not going to be talking throughout the whole video. The video is actually pretty short, but I'm not going to be talking throughout this whole install because it was pretty much simple. This was a closure wig, so I didn't really have to do too much. I'm just going ahead and splitting this lace in the middle, and I'm just going to be working with one side at a time. The glue I am using is Ghost Bond, and all the other products I used, I'm going to put in the description box down below. I only used, I feel like, 2 other products and then my elastic band. So yeah, I'm gonna put those in the description box down below so you guys can go get them. Everybody should have an elastic band if you guys are doing your own installs, or even if you're getting an install from somebody else. You guys should definitely invest in an elastic band because that helps, especially when your lace is lifting. Also, another thing I forgot to mention that I have been doing is letting the glue air dry instead of blow drying it for it to turn white, guys. I personally feel like it's way better, and when I put the blow dryer on it, whether it's cool, hot, warm, whatever the case may be, it tends to dry very quickly, and next thing you know, the glue is dried by the time you're trying to put the lace down, and it's just not giving what it's supposed to give. So yeah, I feel like you guys should definitely try that out. It's something I recommend doing. And then I'm just gonna put my elastic band on, my handy dandy elastic band, and I left it on for about 10 minutes. You guys can really leave this on for however long you guys want to. Just make sure you guys are not squeezing your brain. Guys, so this right here is the secret to the baby hairs. Okay, you guys want to find your smallest flat iron. Okay, buy your smallest flat iron, whatever, find one, borrow one, whatever the case may be, and you guys want to just curl the edges up, and then you guys want to go in and, you know, lay it without any product, and then go in with the product, and then boom, you have fabulous baby hairs. Now, me personally, I love using Gorilla Snot as my edge control when I lay my edges for my wigs because I feel like it stays. The reason why I don't like using mousse is because if you guys use any type of mousse, you guys have to work fast. You guys can't just be applying hella mousse and just working slow. And I kind of work slow when it comes to my edges because I want them to be perfect. So yeah, I prefer using the edge control. You guys can definitely use mousse or a different type of gel or whatever the case may be. But yeah, I'm just tying down the edges so it can stay laid. And then I'm going to get back to you guys. All right guys, so this is how the hair came out. Feel me? Very much laid, slayed. Don't play. Yeah, don't play with me. Like, y'all have gotten so much better with these wigs, like, period. Yes, did that. So at the ends, since the I got my waist trainer on, but anyway, since the ends were kind of like giving dead ends, you feel me, no volume, just I decided to just cut it and then, you know, just give it a little swoop. But yeah, so your girl got hair done. The lace came out really good. That's the end of my video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social media platforms. If you guys want me to recreate any hairstyles, or you guys think I should recreate certain looks like from celebrities or influencers or anything like that, make sure you guys, you know, DM me. You guys can send them to me. You guys can message me on whatever platform. Like, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this look. I feel like I want to start doing different looks on different ways, because usually in my hair videos I'll just do like the bare minimum, like, you know, bleach the knots, you know, the simple stuff, and then that would be it. I'll just put it on and whatever. But yes, it's giving different. I love this. I've been wanting to try this for a long time, so I'm glad I finally did. You guys let me know down below if you guys like the look. Feel me? I'm gonna show y'all the fit. I got my waist trainer on, so you guys can't really see. I'm gonna stand up on the chair, give y'all a little okay? Yeah. But anyway, until next time, Desi out.
I feel roll this dirty, won't fall with no pill. Young nigga come from the hill, won't show emotions but feelings be real. I say, but yo, what's the deal? Phone in my pocket right next to the scale.